Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making rice water. I am starting off with brown rice. You can use any kind of rice. You can use white rice, wild rice, whatever you choose. I am going to be using brown rice though. So I have my measuring cup and I am going to be using 1/3 cup of brown rice. I did a little bit more than what you see here, but not too much more. So there goes my 1/3. And then I just cleaning my rice. And there it is, all cleaned. I'm gonna place it in the mason jar. And there it goes, right in the jar. Then I'm gonna start adding the water. So I just used the 8-ounce cup to measure my water. And that was the first cup. There goes the second cup. And then I added about a half a cup more. And there goes the half a cup. And then I'm gonna go in with some essential oil, which you'll see in just a sec. There it is, some peppermint oil to mask the smell, because I've heard that rice water can smell really bad after it begins to ferment. So I'm just adding 3 to 4 drops of peppermint oil, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 4 to 5 days tops. Gonna add the lid and I will use it and I'll let you guys know my results. Please comment below if you tried or used rice water before. Let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.